Why must we be so aggressive towards each other? Why all this tension and will to dominate? Can't we find some other way to settle our differences? Why? Why does it always have to be through such futile conflict? Because you are playing a sports ball game. Conflict, I'm afraid, is necessary. I just don't think doing the same thing every season is getting us anywhere. We should try sitting down and talking about our problems, instead of trying to outdo each other by seeing who can garner the most score points. You know what? You're right. Over our many encounters, we have achieved few resolutions. Let's try it your way.
Well, with about 5 minutes to go in the second quarter, I'd have to say the Hawks have been pretty solid about accepting that they do project their insecurities onto the opposition. The Magpies, however, need to start accepting responsibility on their part and demonstrate that they understand the impact their aggression has on the Hawks. Hopefully over the halftime break, they'll observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment, allowing for intentional shifts in perspective, behaviour, and eventually creating a deeper sense of well-being and mindfulness when it comes to the finals.
Plus, Dacos has been removed from the game due to concussion protocol.
Shut up, Kevin.